If you're using Claude Code to build apps, but you're not using it to run your content, you're leaving the easiest growth lever on the table. I built a free plugin that runs my entire content pipeline, from competitor research to final scripts. By the end of this video, you'll have it installed. We're going to cover why systems beat hustle, I'll demo the whole thing live, and then I'll walk you through the setup. But here's the part that made me give it away. This plugin doesn't just write scripts, it learns. Every video you publish, it gets smarter with what works for your audience. That's the part that replaced my entire content process. And I'm going to show you exactly how. Most creators wake up every single day just trying to figure out what to post about. That's survival mode, not strategy, and I've been there before. You're making all these decisions without any legit data standing behind them. The business owners actually growing on social media have systems in place that can do the research on what's trending right now, create different angles for the content, write all the hooks, and write full-blown scripts for them. And not only that, measure what worked and feed it back into the engine. That same system used to require a full team that could cost anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 a month, or a full team of virtual assistants. What if that entire loop was ran through Claude Code for free? Well, that's what I built for us. Now let me show you what each piece actually does. The viral discover command is going to do two things. It's going to scrape your top competitors' content on YouTube and Instagram. So it'll look up the long form and short form on YouTube, and then obviously just the short form on Instagram, and then give you the option to transcribe them, as well as have Claude Code watch the videos and show you the visual hooks that worked for them, with a final report of why each piece worked. Secondly, it'll search through YouTube for a general search on your keywords, whether it's Claude Code, AI automation, whatever's in your niche, and show you what's actually trending. It'll do that for GitHub and Reddit as well. Those are the actual platforms that I want to have scraped. And then it'll give you a full report on all of that data. This command here is going to take all of those topics and create contrast-based angles for you. Every great piece of content has a common belief and a surprising truth. This agent builds that contrast and scores the strength. Then once you find an angle that you want to move forward with, you'd run the viral script command. I like to call it Hook Genie. This will generate 10 different hooks using 6 proven patterns, then writes out a full script with filming cards, long form, short form, LinkedIn, whatever you choose. It can handle all of them. And then after you build some data across your YouTube and Instagram, you'd run the viral analyze command, which will actually pull all of your content from both of those platforms and show you what's actually working, transcribe all of those pieces, watch them, and tell you why they actually won. This is the report that you feed back to the agent brain. Over time, the AI will learn what hook patterns actually resonate with your audience. This stores your identity, who you're talking to, hook preferences, visual patterns, and your competitors. This is what makes the system smarter with every piece of content that you post. After getting your report back from analyzing, you're going to run this command to update the brain. So enough explaining, let me show you this thing running live. And if this excites you and you're finding this useful, I go way deeper on Claude Code systems, and I actually give you my Claude Code tool belt inside of my Skool community, which is linked below in the description. Beginner to advanced workflows, prompt engineering, the whole stack. It's free with no pressure to upgrade. And this is the workflow itself. Okay, I have it in a workflow folder, but I call it content pipeline. It houses all the data in here for me. So my hooks, my angles, my analytics, insights. It's where we house that agent brain that I told you about, and a few of the custom scripts that I built that allow you to actually download videos, transcribe, all that good stuff. And I promise you, when you download it, it's really not all that complicated. So if you're not a super technical person, you could still achieve this. In the description below, I'm also going to tag the video that I did to show you how to set up Claude Code and VS Code just like I have set up here. So I'm going to run the viral discover command. After we do this full walkthrough and you can see how I grab this data, I'm actually going to show you how to set it up from beginning to end, because there are 2 other commands, which is the viral setup and the viral onboard. That's how you're actually going to train your agent in the beginning and install all the dependencies, which are just the custom code that allow you to do all the cool features that this workflow is capable of. Okay, so there's a lot of data coming here. So discovery keywords, AI automation. Here are some of the ones that I had set up. AI tools and tutorials, AI design and branding. So if I want to update any of these keywords, I can run either one of these commands, and it's asking me what I want to discover today. So I'm going to choose option B. So you could see as far as the competitor content goes, this is for long form on YouTube. So I'm looking at Chase Hannigan. It's going to lay out the title, the actual link, and then it'll show you some stats here. And this is important because this is what we're actually going to be using to create our angles. And then we have our top 5 Instagram shorts from some of the competitors that I've put in here, as well as the URL to the content. And then this is the keyword search. So on YouTube, here are the 9 long form results. from the keywords that I had. So it lays out the channels, views, engagement, and then the duration here. So we have some good pieces here. And then for Reddit, it did a scrape with my keywords. So we have some topics here. Claude, I'm going to focus on Claude. I like this here, upvotes and a lot of comments. And then GitHub. And if you don't want the AI to search this up every time you do a scrape, you can just tell it not to search GitHub. But now I see what kind of plugins are doing well that I should probably create content around. And then I get a quick insight here that I've set up with Claude Code. So what I want it to do, for example, now it's asking me if I want to transcribe and go deeper on any of these. So I'm going to ask it to go deeper on number 1. So I'd give Claude this command: transcribe and watch number 1 and 11 from the competitor search. And on that note, I'm going to pack an upper decky while we're waiting for this to download. I'm actually lying, it's a lower decky. And just for awareness, we're using OpenAI Whisper. So you would need your OpenAI key, which I'll show you guys in the setup. It's actually watching the videos. So for short form, it's going to watch the first 20 seconds and it's going to get about 15 or 20 frames. Screenshotting, same thing with YouTube here. So we can see what's visually appealing as well as what's being spoken. So now we have the breakdown from the long form video. So we could see details on the verbal hook, the hook type, why it worked, what it actually was, the visual hook, what it saw, text overlays, anything that it noticed, what's actually shown, the structure, the angles used, and then why it actually worked. So you can get some really good idea and insights there. And then we see the same breakdown for the short form that we got from IG from Cooper Simpson. So if we scroll down, same setup here. And then if you want, you can add one or both or none of them to the swipe file for future inspiration when you're running the viral script command. I already have a lot of these hooks installed in my agent brand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to Reddit. And this was a good topic that I wanted to create some content around. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to scroll all the way back down and I'm going to run viral angle for this exact topic. And there's a lot of data in this conversation. Plus we also have a 1 million token context window. So context rot isn't going to be a problem. And then with the scoring system that I've set up with this workflow, it's going to score all the best topics from both competitor and then the keyword discovery and save them. So now we have 15 angles generated across 3 platforms, which is for YouTube on the long form side, short form. So that short form can be posted to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook Shorts, and then we have topics and angles for LinkedIn. So if you want to create some LinkedIn posts via text, you could do that. Concluding on the angle side, it'll give you full details on all the long form topics, the short form topics, and for the LinkedIn posts. And Claude's going to ask you if you want to save any of these angles for the future and if you want to move forward and do the viral script command for any of them in particular. So for the sake of this demo, I'm going to go with option 3 on long form side. This would be your prompt. Let's do viral script for angle 3 on long form side. So I had to specify that I didn't want any of the angles saved. I already have a lot of them in here. So for brain context, it's going to go ahead and give me some hooks generated from my brain data that I already have in here. So we'll have 5 options that we can choose from, and they're pretty solid. So it'll give you the source, what type, and a score. Until your brain becomes fully decked out over time, the swipe inspired is going to be your best friend. And it'll blend data between your competitors as well as what's already proven for you. If you're not sure what to go with, you could just follow the hook recommendation. So hook number 6, what do we got here? If you're building apps with Claude Code and you're not planning before you prompt, you're building something that breaks the moment you touch it. Okay, so that is proven for me. If you're doing this and you're not doing this, and then here's the problem, here's the drawback. So I'm gonna say, let's do 6. Okay, so the hooks are saved, and once the script is done, we could take a look at it here, but it's gonna place it in the not done folder. So if you specified long video or short video or LinkedIn post, it'll put them in the corresponding folders. And it'll title it LF for long form, why your AI app breaks the moment, yada, yada. So here's the entire script. Here's the hook that we chose, the 3 Ps, the intro. So it'll lay out the proof, the promise, the plan, the retention hook, and then you'll have each section that you can go through, talking points, proof, exactly what you're going to be showing. So whether it's on screen or it's just you talking, perfect transitions to go from section 1 to section 2. So what we have here is kind of just some talking points, just my face, maybe some screenshots. And then we have a live demo here. So just some talking points. It'll tell you what you can pull up on screen to use as proof, a mid-video CTA, which I've already encouraged Claude to do for every script. And then same thing, section 3, section 4 with a conclusion and a CTA, which is just a call to action. Whether it's, hey, book a call with me or hey, hit my school, whatever, like it includes this here and you can just follow that framework. And there's only 2 commands left, viral analyze, which we're actually going to analyze all of my social media now for YouTube and IG. The same way that we saw it download our competitors' content in the discover command, it's going to do the same thing here. Now, I have an issue. To install the Instagram Graph API, it involves using Facebook's developer tools, and Facebook is being a pain in the butt lately, so I can't do it. But with the installer, we can still get relevant data from Instagram, so I'm gonna do that. And if you run into a similar issue, just let me know. It's just Facebook being Facebook. Just to keep it simple, I'm gonna have it just run through my shorts, and I'm gonna submit my answers. Just let it rock now. All right, so it pulled all of my top Instagram reels. It's going to show me the views and engagement that I got. And this was by far one of the best videos I've done just in the past 30 days. So what it's going to ask you now is which ones do we want to actually dissect? So transcription, visual hook analysis, I'm just going to go with top 3. And this is the coolest fucking part because it breaks down each one of the 3 videos that I asked it to dissect. So it'll lay out the verbal hook, opening line, hook pattern, obviously all that good stuff that we saw before. The visual hook, same thing that we saw before in the competitor search, what was shown, why this one, same thing with number 2 and number 3. And it gave me the full analysis. If anything failed or any of the scripts failed, it would let me know. But it shows common patterns and what to apply to my next video. And all that's left to do is to type in viral update brain and then ask it whatever you want it to save to the brain if there's anything in particular. But that's it for the entire workflow. And then you rinse, wash, and repeat. So whenever you're creating new angles or new scripts, especially scripts, the hooks and data are going to be more relevant to what's already working for you. Now let's talk about the install and setup. You guys can find this repo. It's going to be linked in the description below. If you guys want more secrets and more sauce in regards to this and how I'm using it for my content strategy, I'm just going to strongly encourage that you join the Skool community. That's also linked below. But in any case, go ahead, come to this repo, and you're going to see this is the logo. This is everything here. This is the command that we're going to plug into the terminal. So copy this, and you're going to open up a fresh terminal without Claude. You'll see GVB right here. As soon as this pops up, I would choose it as global. It just bypassed it for me, and I already have it set up. And then all you have to do is boot open Claude, and the first command you want to run is viral onboard. So I already have an agent brain. It's going to go through, it's going to check. It's actually showing up that I have no agent brain because I downloaded it straight from the repo, and I actually have the master copy here with all my Paul files. If you guys want to know how I build stuff like this using Paul, it's an entire framework to build apps and workflows. You guys can also check that out. I have a playlist for VS Code and Claude Code. You'll see it. It's just a Paul logo. I'll also tag that in the description below. So we have the opportunity to do this from scratch together. And I don't have an agent brain yet. So I'm just going to go through and answer the questions that it's having me answer. My name, my brand, my social media, all these good questions here. To save time, I'm just going to feed it my current brain. Okay, so it just copied my brain over, my pillars, the research, keywords, competitors, and some cadence on how I like to post. Then the next thing that you want to do to make sure that all of the dependencies, meaning all the scripts, are set up correctly so you can scrape and do all the things you saw me do, is run up the viral setup command. Okay, so it's going to check to see what's downloaded. This is what's needed. Okay, so it made sure it had everything here, dependencies. I copied my APIs from my original ENV file, and everything's already connected. Now, this is through Facebook developer tools. This is going to be from the Google Cloud Console, and you can get your OpenAI API key from OpenAI. And notice there's YouTube Analytics v2, which is for getting our data. And this is how we're actually, the data API is how we're going to actually research and scrape and get all sorts of other data, like Chase's data or whoever's data that we're scraping from competitors. Don't worry about the Reddit API or the Twitter API because we don't need those. I've set it up another way. So that's already installed for you. This is the Google Cloud Console, and you're going to be able to find all of your API and services. If you guys need help setting this up, join the Skool community. I can do some little deep dives on it. This is already long enough of a video. There are other trainings on it. You could use the Claude and Chrome extension to go through and set this up for you. And you can even ask it, well, how do I do this? Have this entire screen open, and don't be afraid. Trust me, it's not that difficult. But you would want to enable the services, enable APIs and services, search for the API keys that it's asking you. So you're just typing in YouTube, and you'll see the data API as well as the analytics somewhere here. Right here. But ask Claude how to set it up, and then to set up the Instagram graph, which you don't need because we have InstaLoader, which is already going to pull your analytics and the analytics from your competitors' Instagram. But if you want to be able to see which posts got you the most amount of followers and more engagement details, You set this up, ask Claude to help you set it up. For some reason, it's not letting me set it up. It's just some sort of like server or like IP address issue, but it's not a big deal. There's a lot of ways to set this up. Ask Claude or watch a video. Then once all of that is set up, you can just run the viral discover and it'll pull your keywords and it'll pull content from your competitors. So you're all set. And again, the plugin is free and it's live on GitHub now. Just click the link below and follow the steps if you already haven't done so. If you want to learn how I use it personally, just join the Skool. That's where I show a lot more of the advanced stuff. And if you want to learn more about Claude Code and the plugins that I use that actually make money, consider subscribing and definitely like this video. I drop about 2 videos just like this every single week. So on that note, I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.